Right, in this video we're going to solve cos squared x is equal to 1 minus sine x for x being between 0 and 360. So we've got cos squared x is equal to 1 minus sine x, solving between 0 and 360. Now the idea is to make the variables the same, so the one we need to replace is this one. We're going to try and make that sine squared x. So we know that sine squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1, so if we rearrange that we get that cos squared x is equal to 1 minus sine squared x. That means the cos squared x here we can now replace with 1 minus sine squared x. So we get 1 minus sine squared x is equal to 1 minus sine x. If we now cancel out the 1's and we bring this over to here, we now get sine squared x minus sine x is equal to 0. Right, what is the common factor here? We've got sine squared x and sine x, so the common factor will be sine x, and we're left with sine x minus 1. So now we can say either sine x is equal to 0. Now when sine x is equal to 0, 1 or minus 1, it's best to draw a graph of sine x. So just drawing a quick sketch of the graph. So you should learn the graph of sine x, which looks like that. Where is it equal to 0? So it's equal to 0 at 0 degrees, 180 degrees and 360 degrees. So we get three solutions from that one. We get x is 0, 180 or 360. So, or sine x minus 1 could be equal to 0, which means sine x is equal to 1. Again, we use the graph. I'm not going to draw it again, we just use the same graph. Where is sine x equal to 1? That's at this particular point here, which is 90 degrees. So we get x is equal to 90. So writing out all the solutions, we're going to get x is 0, x is 90, x is 180, or 360. We normally write out all the solutions in ascending order. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to solve a trig equation by making all the variables in sine. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.